No, it's been so long since I've done a product review, but since I've applied this and I realized just how nice it feels. This particular product is called Soft Sense Baby Lotion with natural milk cream and shea butter. The reason I'm speaking about this particular product is quite often what happens is when we are buying a product from a very big company, we are basically paying for the marketing and advertising, that has gone into that company. But a company like this, Soft Sense Baby Lotion, it's very soft on the skin, and you really feel good when you use it. So it's been quite a while since I did a product promotion, but this I got it at Reliance Smart, Super Smart. So in case you all are able to find it, you all should get it, because it really, your skin feels good when you apply this. I'll soon start doing more product reviews. Yeah, because I like speaking about products also. Yeah. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.